As much as the Prophet ﷺ loved Allah, as much as he found the coolness of his eyes in his prayer, like would Aisha radiallahu anha or Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu or Ali radiallahu anhu say the Prophet ﷺ's love was timid, it wasn't intense, it was intense. Like he really, really loved his family. He really loved his companions, but he loved Allah more. And that's actually what makes this so profound, is that the believer does not love Allah in a way that makes them emotionless with their family and the people in their lives. They love their family, even for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So people say, what do you mean? How do you love your family for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? You love when they grow towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You would fulfill their rights upon you. You would give to them. You thank Allah for them. You see them as a blessing. And you're constantly trying to grow together so that you can be reunited under the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.